The Institute for Molecular Bioscience holds a special place in the history of the University of Queensland. When it was established in the year 2000, IMB became the first standalone research institute at UQ. So it was the precursor for several other world-leading scientific research institutes that we've established in the years since. As we celebrate IMB's 21st anniversary this year, we really want to highlight the Institute's history of globally significant disease research and drug discovery. And we want to raise awareness, especially here in Queensland, that IMB is the nation's leading research institute for research commercialisation outcomes.
The Institute for Molecular Bioscience has a vision, and that vision is a world with a cure for every disease. For the past 21 years, we've brought researchers together, world-leading experts in genomics, biology and chemistry, and have them working together to understand nature and harness that knowledge of nature to produce cures for a better world. So IMB has been responsible for several really crucial breakthrough discoveries for society. Counterpilot has done an awesome job of celebrating, highlighting our research by shining a light on the type of research that we're doing. And you can visit that through a journey through this rainforest, and you can see how they illuminate the types of research that we do with plants, with animals, and with soil.
At the heart of this year's Brisbane Festival Brightly Brisbane program, the curation really comes from a spirit of community and celebration. The IMB Institute of Light is a really special project for this year's Brisbane Festival program. One of the great things that I love about it is that you're learning about incredible scientific discoveries that are happening here in Queensland that are literally changing people's lives. To me, that is something that is truly remarkable, and it's an absolute privilege to be working with IMB this year. Brisbane Festival and Counterpilot have got a long history of working together. One of the things about this company that really excites me is the way they turn these really interactive, high-tech experiences and make them really playful, but there's a sense of mischievousness about them. And why I wanted Counterpilot to work on this project is that I knew that they would get really invested in the research that happens at IMB, that they would really take it on board and really consider an extraordinary creative solution to how to bring out into a festival context, into a beautiful immersive installation, something that really takes you into the heart of the discoveries. And that's what they've done. They call themselves techno troublemakers, and I think they've done that in a super playful way with this project. You know, they've really given it lots of love. They've spent lots of time with the scientists and really considered all of the different nuances and, you know, really honoured the research, which is absolutely critical in this experience, but at the same time make it super accessible so people can come and enjoy it and be really mesmerised by the installation, because it looks truly beautiful at night.
Counterpilot is a collective of performance makers based in Brisbane. We collaborate to create interactive performance works that activate audiences using rich design and gameplay. So this project came to us through Brisbane Festival. We've worked with the festival over the past couple of years, presenting our own work, but this time they came to us with a new collaboration, with this partnership. Brisbane Festival introduced us to the Institute for Molecular Bioscience and basically challenged us to say, all right, what can you do with these guys? What can you make using the stories of this underheard of Brisbane institution? IMB Institute of Light is a spectacular light and sound installation, but in Counterpilot style, we want you to earn your spectacle. So it's also a game that you have to unlock. IMB Institute of Light is full of true stories of real scientific discoveries that have come out of IMB from Brisbane scientists. It's been so exciting working with real badass scientists at IMB and really taking proper influence and inspiration from the work they do. We've taken more than just IMB's stories for this work. We've also taken their actual media. So all of the lighting effects created in this installation are using real microscopic footage that have come from actual experiments.